Hello. Today's review is the 1966 Buick Wildcat hardtop by AMT. This is a 3-in-1 kit. Retro Deluxe. Special features: retooled custom wheels with custom parts. Expanded decal sheet, vintage style packaging. Okay, overview. Skill level 2. Let's open it up. Starting off with the tires. Firestone, you can see that. And the other side, white walls. And there's some decent treads there. Then not much work there. Then we have the clear plastic with your headlights. And then the tail lights right there. And this is a one-piece glass. Pretty thick. Some weight here. Then this huge body. Okay. It has these holes in the bottom for the pins, mufflers in the rear end installed, and subframe. Okay. And there's wildcat emblem. And pretty thick detail here, so you could detail that. Some decent. And then there's the emblem back there. And on the other side. And there's the radiator. Part of the radiator wall. And under view. There's those placements. Okay, and then there's the chassis again. Side view. Okay. And interior tub. Some light detail, center column, back seats already in there. An injection mark, not too bad though. And little A little texture. Not much detail there in the door panels. Okay. And we have the hood. I believe this is the one on the kit. And 2 sets of bucket seats. Retro style. And then detail on the back of the hood. And then there's some placements there for you. And another hood. And there's a placement here. Wheel backs. And detail on the back of this hood. Got a loose piece. Valance or chin guard. And we have another hood. That's 3 for your 3-in-1. Firewall with some detail. And another chin guard with a bunch of flash. And some detail in the back of the hood. This one has more detail than the others. And then there's the back side view. Okay, and then we have another grille option with the bumper. And then your tail. And part of your muffler system, your end caps. Wheel backs. And I think these are your pins for your body. They go in there. And I'm not sure what this is. Maybe I'll see it in the book. Okay. And another dash. With the steering wheel and column. And there's your engine with the holes in it for the axle. Then there's your water pump, timing chain cover, oil pan, intake, heads, battery, hoses, fan, belts, pulleys, and air cleaner. And I'm not sure if those are your headers, but I don't think those look like headers to me. All right, and let's go. Oh, there's your axles. And then here's your chrome. We have a 2-pack chrome. And another grail with bumper set. Another one there. Two sets of wheels. And more of your headers or exhaust manifolds. That's pretty nice. That's nice. There's some nice detail here. The other side, and there's your 8-pack stacks, 2 carbs, valve covers, okay, and the second one. And the book and the decals. That's a bunch. ABC SSFX 707. Black Cat, Ed's Paint Shop. Some decent decals here. Nice addition. Okay. Let's see here. There's your basics assemblies. And paint colors. There's your final. Mild custom. Show custom. Okay, well, there you have it. 1966 Buick Wildcat hardtop, 3-in-1 by AMT. Scale level 2. And this is a 1/25th scale. Well, thank you for viewing. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, comments, share. And I thank you. This is Dutch.